Who doesn't like pork and beans, especially when you're using the smoky onion mustard? Spiced pork loin with green lentils, delicious. I've done many variations with this recipe through the French restaurants I worked in. Green lentils are peppery, they're earthy, and they're absolutely delightful, and they're high on protein. Let's get this dish on the road. First, we're gonna start off with our dry spices. We got smoked paprika, we got granulated garlic, we got sumac, we got some salt. Let's get them in a bowl, extra virgin olive oil, make a nice little paste. Get our pork loin in there, marinate it up, and get it searing behind us. Let's go to Flavor Town. Okay, now we're gonna add some of our Williamson wine's extra virgin olive oil, earthy, peppery, and yummy. So let's make a little paste, probably a tablespoon or two. Okay, that's about it. We're gonna stir it really good. We want a paste, and that looks just about perfect. Boom. So now we have a pork tenderloin here, already pre-cleaned. You can get them in any store. Let's get this in the bowl. We're just gonna flash it in that spice paste. Get your hands in there and get it every inch of that baby covered in some spice. So, see? And that's how you make a wet rub. Really simple. All right. Let's cross the street over to Flavor Town. Let's bring our extra virgin olive oil with us. Now I'm going to turn the pan on medium high. Always work with a hot pan. Never put a protein in a cold pan because you'll never get that nice caramelization that you see all the great chefs do. Okay. Put a little olive oil in there, a couple tablespoons. The pork is in the pan. You can see that spice rub, it's doing its job. Let's hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Season every step of the way. All right, let's give this a nice little flippy-roo. Oh, beautiful. What I'll do is I'll just kind of collect some of that oil. All right, we flipped it, we basted it, and now let's get it into the oven. Wham! Pork's in the oven. Let's start cooking our lentils. Now, I'm gonna take the bacon, a little bit of olive oil, we're gonna crisp them off, and then we're gonna start sectioning this recipe out. Okay, let's drop a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. And now we're gonna go in with chopped bacon. We put our bacon in. Now, about 4 to 5 minutes, we just want to get them nice and golden brown and crispy because I'm going to take those out and then we're going to start going in with the lentils and the garlic and everything else. All right, let's go in with the lentils. Yummy. Give those just a nice little stir in some of that fat. Okay, great. Now we're gonna go in with some water, some bay leaves, and some garlic. Give that a nice little stir. Now we're gonna cook these on medium low for about 10 minutes until most of the liquid is gone and the lentils start softening up. And then we're gonna go in with our stock and wines and all the other great ingredients. Okay, now that that water is absorbed a little bit, now we're gonna go in with our red wine, our beef stock, and then we're gonna finish it at the end with our red wine vinegar. So let's go red wine. Gotta have it, gotta love it. Let's go with our beef stock, our beautiful crisp top bacon. Bring this up to a boil, then we're gonna cut it down on low and let it go for 10 to 15 minutes and we're gonna eat. All right, with the Heritage 2022, this is such a smooth, rich wine. Goes so great with the bacon and the lentils. You're gonna absolutely love this. All right, our beans are probably up to a boil. Definitely are. Let's go ahead and turn it way down. Let's go ahead and put the top on it. And let's look underneath at our pork. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, look at that. So whenever you start to see the juices becoming a little clear coming out of the top, that's like a perfect medium well, and that means, chef, get me out. Yummy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this bad boy out and let him take a nice little nap on that cutting board until we're ready for serving. Boom. Every meat has got to rest. These green lentils, they bloomed, they're nice and soft. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of red wine vinegar. It really helps cut through the lentils and makes the bacon just pop on it. So let's do that. We're just gonna stir those in, stir that in there. Delightful. Look at those. Let's move them over across the street here. Put them on this hot board. All right, let's cut the pork up. Now I like to cut them, about a 1/4 inch thick. All right, we got some pork sliced. Let's bring our bowl forward. This is such a nice French dish. Makes you feel like you're at the countryside right now. We got the rolling hills. We got the 120-year-old vine out the front window. Let's put some sliced pork. Kind of fan them out like that. For the last little blast of great flavor in this dish, we're gonna use the Williamson wine smoky onion mustard. Let's put a nice little dollop of this on top. Yummy. This pork and bean recipe is packed end to end with smokiness flavor, and it goes so good with that Shiraz. Enjoy.